Many of us don't even know that some children across the globe choose to homeschool themselves, even though they have resources to go to a school. So it is a very cautious choice that they take for various reasons, like parent schedule, religious beliefs, and promise of better learning. Due to the pandemic and school closure, not many parents are exploring homeschooling who have a certain questions whose answer we are trying to explore in our today's series. Sharing this wonderful journey of homeschooling of Radha.
नमस्कार अवंतिका, आपके चैनल पर हमें आमंत्रित करने के लिए धन्यवाद, ताकि हम सभी मिलके होम स्कूलिंग के लाभों के बारे में जानकारी और जागरूकता फैला पाएं। My name is Chintamani Bhattacharya, and my daughter's name is Radha. So why do we choose to homeschool, you ask? That is definitely a question that we've been asked many times. So the very quick answer is that we had no other option but to homeschool our daughter. My husband, being a psychologist, he had done a lot of research into the modern education system and we both knew from all that research that we never wanted to send our daughter to the schooling system. We also believe that children are being taught how to be followers rather than thinkers by the schooling system, by them using the memory recall or the rote learning system, which basically pressurizes children to simply remember the topics rather than actually learn them, and teaching them the love of learning, which forcing via the pass and fail method does to children. We also wanted to be the primary teachers of our daughter rather than handing her over to the schooling system where the teacher doesn't necessarily know the child that well, and nor do they really care if they truly love learning or not. So our curriculum is based on the principles of our Sanskriti and is very flexible. And some of the subjects that we teach Radha include Sanskrit, Hindi, Marathi, music, and Odissi dance. Are there any challenges, you ask, on a day-to-day basis? No, there are no challenges really, because both my husband and I really want to be the teachers for our daughter, and she really loves learning from us. A lot of people question that homeschooling does not prepare a child for socializing as an adult. And what we've experienced is that definitely in every single place that we've resided in, that regular school children are generally running around aimlessly, shouting and arguing with each other, and don't really know how to interact properly or play nicely with each other, their peers or with any adults. Whereas Radha has friends that range from toddlers to adults, and she definitely knows how to handle herself with younger kids, her peers and adults, and has relationships with them and talks to them accordingly. Our daughter has chosen not to go down and interact with kids that engage in those sort of roughhousing activity. Radha is also 10% more learned than not only children her age, but many times older, and dare I say, some adults as well. Should other parents go into homeschooling? Definitely homeschooling is a very wonderful option, but I don't think that homeschooling is for everyone because of their limitations of their work or their aptitude for teaching their children. But if you do have the time and the resources, then I would highly encourage going into homeschooling, because it is a very wonderful option for the child and for the parents. If you desire to homeschool, then first see if you want to and have the time to teach your child, and always remember that you can learn as you go on. Radha, what do you like about homeschooling?
I like sitting next to you, and I like writing words.
So what else makes homeschooling fun?
Learning science.
Mm-hmm. Do you like science?
And I like science projects.
Yeah. Do you like maths?
Not so much.
Do you like English?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like writing? Do you like reading stories?
No,
Why not?
because they're tricky. I can't say the word spoken to.
Practice makes perfect. So what are the principles?
Listen and learn. Practice makes perfect. Deserve before you desire. Say what you mean what you say.
Yeah. So by practicing reading, you're gonna get perfect, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Then I'll deserve what I desire.
Mm-hmm.
I love homeschooling because I love my mom being my teacher, and she's a great teacher, and I've got lots of books, and I've got lots of toys. I can watch educational things like Coyote Peterson. Homeschooling is fun. Yes!
Homeschooling is not widespread in India, but it's still giving importance in recent times in metropolitan cities, especially Hyderabad, Pune and Mumbai. In India, 4 types of methods of homeschooling are present. The Montessori method, unschooling, radical unschooling, Waldorf education, and the boards are CBSE, NIOS and IGCSE. Are you thinking of homeschooling your child? Do connect with us with your queries, concerns and vision. We shall take it up in the next part of our series. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and keep watching Bacha Saabdhan.